Hi Charlie. So today we learned the quotient rule. So this is just how you take the derivative when two functions are divided. So I think it's easier to think about it this way. You just do bottom times the derivative of the top minus top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom squared. So let's do a little example. So here, to take the derivative of this, I'm just gonna, well, just do it here. So you do bottom, the bottom function, times the derivative of the top. So here, the derivative of the top is just 1, minus top, times the derivative of the bottom. So that's just 2, all over the bottom squared. And then, you don't have to simplify the bottom, you can just leave it like that. But you should simplify the top. So 2x plus 1. Do you see how this is going to be minus 2x, and then this negative, and 2 will distribute to that and make it plus 10. So this ends up just being 11. So now let's just do another example. So same idea, bottom times the derivative of the top. So the derivative of the top here is 4x minus top times the derivative of the bottom, which here is just 3, all over the bottom squared. You can leave it like that. So now let's just simplify at the top. So it comes out to be 12x squared plus 4x minus 6x squared. So that will simplify to just be 6x squared plus 4x all over 3x plus 1 squared. So now you're trying to determine where this function has horizontal tangent lines. So this is just a little application of something you might do, when you're taking a derivative. So you can tell when a function has horizontal tangent lines. That's like, doesn't that mean that the slope is 0 when the tangent line is horizontal? So you really just want the derivative to equal 0. So a derivative, a fraction actually in general, a fraction will equal 0 when the numerator equals 0. So you really just have to set the numerator equal to 0. So you see how we can factor out a 2x here? So that ends up being x equals 0 and then negative 2/3. So that's the basic idea. So why don't you try some of those homework questions and then email me any questions that you have. All right, bye.